Jsem crazy jako důchodecko s celým důchodem.
Pane Kontrakingo, jste asi trochu přepracován.
Leda hovno.
Obrovské společné pece.
Pracuji v krematoriu, jsem mrtvou valitel. Pece velitel, vlasy hoří jako jetel. Hladím si pytel, když se smaží Václav Havel. Miluji zápach hořících šel, nebezpědatel. Jednou přišel anděl, který mi zastavit chtěl. Defloroval jsem mu prdel, poslal ho do pekel. Jsem ďábel, ostatkama hnojím námel badatel. A po receptu vyrábím karamel. Pekám to s tím maso, prodávám to za pakatel. Můj poslední zákazník byl papež a Pavel skvěle hořel. Po celém špitovej jsem rozsypal jeho popel, smrtí ortel. Kremační peč pro mrtvý hotel. Zvážu novou várku, podpálím kotel. Někdy vemu skalpel do mrtvoly, bořím čepel. Jako gal použiju žluč, mám vlnu jak Johnny Rebel. Tak sebou moc nemel, nebo ti naspu do pece. Jediný, co mě baví, je pořádná kremace.
Za 75 minut se slečna Čárská
Společné pece.
promění v popel a naplní urny. Ale duše ne.
Společné pece.
Ta do urny nejde. Ta se převtělí, osvobodí, jak říkají Tibetané.
Společné pece.
Zalétne do éteru.
Obrovské společné pece.
Jsem spalovač, mrtvol, patolog, amatér. Podám lidi do jater, inhaluju éter. Šofér, jako cháro, mrtvý transportér. Osvobozu duše, posílám je do vyšších sfér. Neser, ohledy ber, už jsem star. Občas hrám do plemenu jak zpětovaný Maďar. Hořící těla pomalu měněj svůj tvar. Nic nepřijde na zmar, všechno spálí žár. Jsem jako komár, vysávám krev popelem, plní pohár. Vysušení rty, chutnaj trochu jako polár. Bar, který není lidský těla sunar. Osvobozený duše tvořejí už stropu opár. Jsem řezník Opfer Kingle, velím kremační peci. Miluji svoji práci, žádnou jinou nechci. Nechte si keci, že jsem divnej nebo jiný. Pro mě člověk dobrý, jenom když je tuhej. Jen si zmrdne keci, za chvíli máš pole graci. Ve 14:07 tě přivážím na kremaci.
Obrovské společné pece.
Kremační peci, skončíte všetci. V rakvi nebo kleci, vezu těla na kremaci. Kremační peci, skončíte všetci. V rakvi nebo kleci, vezu těla na kremaci. Kremační peci, skončíte všetci. V rakvi nebo kleci, vezu těla na kremaci. Kremační peci, skončíte všetci. V rakvi nebo kleci, vezu těla na kremaci.
Lidi bydlí takové obrovské společné pece. Kam by se jich vešlo najednou 100, 500, 1000.
Is anybody out there?
Yeah. Hledám špicov, kde nezamykaj bránu a kde můžu prcat mrtvoli. Od noci až k ránu hledám vanu, ve který můžu vyprávat děti bez rozdílu velikosti, věku nebo barvy pleti. Hledám oběti, do kterých naberu plnou dávku, do se chci zabít buzera, Tomáše Zadku. Hledám webovku, kde koně prcaj mrtvoli a pak stříkej dávky mrtky postiženým dětem dokoli. Hledám roli v tom nejtvrdším péčku, omrdám cokoliv klidně nakaženou vlčí smrčku. Hledám herečku do mýho kaviár filmu, šestku tam budu strát na cibulkovou filmu. Hledám můj který bych způsobil tvý holce, seřezal bych jí holí a urval jí ušní bolce. Hledám ovce, který nechám mrdat jančaříkem, 7hodinovou mrtvu zakončím ohutým výstřikem. Cože? Jančařík? Ty vole, Petr Jančařík, ne, ty do píče, ty vole, studuje magii, on super remeny, nevíš nic. Hledám denodenně, nenacházím ani hovno, řezní kurva mega dement, jde maximální porno. Hledám denodenně, nenacházím ani hovno, řezní kurva mega dement, jde maximální. Hledám, chlastám, padám, pak se zvedám, mrdám, madám, jak Evu Adam, hádám, že už asi kesám z hladu, tak se vrhnu na druhou sloku, jako moje pes na tvojí bradu. Hledám tu správnou čupku, který bych si mohl nože hrabat v pupku. Hledám vodnej oční důlek, do kterého bych vyprázdnil obsah svých kůlek. Hledám český rap, co mě kurva bude bavit, jenom hrobkem plýtva, to mě pořádně zabít. Hledám byt, kde budu celý den čukat staře, šmelnej kvalitní fet. A kdyby měli klici, tak bych jim rozkopal red. Hledám před žloutu tvýho rozpitovanýho trupu, ale kromě mrtky jsem objevil akorát hrskozích chlupů. Hledám v topu lidi, který se šmelí na prach. Ty krvačí peci, nemusíš mít píčo strach. Hledám kalach, který všechny školy vystřílej. Mám pak proženo kulku hlavou těsně předtím, než zešílej. Hledám vodnej rým, kterým zakončím tuhle sloku, ale nic tě nenapadá, tak se hrabu drátem v oku. Tohle je kurva hit roku, ujíždím na moloku, ještě pár loků a pak šťupu v oku. Petr Jančařík in the house! Hledám denodenně, nenacházím ani hovno, řešní kurva mega dement, jde maximální porno. Hledám denodenně, nenacházím ani hovno, řešní kurva mega dement, jde maximální porno. Hledám denodenně, nenacházím ani hovno, řešní kurva mega dement, jde maximální porno. Hledám denodenně, nenacházím ani hovno, řešní kurva mega dement, jde maximální. Yeah! Cicinka!
Yo, what's up, my gangbangers? Just kidding. Anyways, welcome to my stream. Today, yeah, we're gonna continue working on the funny thing. Let's probably get hold on, see chat. Let me just say that properly. And yes, I'm still eating. Right. You can see the chat now, so that's very cool. I'll do it like that. Alright, and let's definitely let's go and continue working on. So today I want to continue working on the game that I'm working for you guys. Yep. So let's go and do that. Alright, so let's grab our assets here. So I have the hallway kind of, asset. So today we're gonna have to throw it into the game. Today we're gonna add an inventory system. And that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, that's my plan for today. So let's go and do that. Let's go start working on that. I'm gonna push everything onto GitHub later, so let's go and start. Just throw it to graphics here. Boom. Alright. I might need to get a better naming convention though, if there's gonna be like a shit ton of rooms. Because if I just call, I don't know, man, dude. Ask fucking Susan or whatever is right now, the CEO will be too. Oh. Anyways. So, now we gotta push this. Crap. God damn it. So we're hallway. And that's good. And then we're gonna have to go to hallway. Right. And then we're gonna have to, yeah, that's, the naming conventions are really fucked up right now. Because, well, calling something a door is so, well, not specific. So we're gonna have to go and also rework a lot of the game itself. So, yeah. Alright, let's go. So I want to also have, first hallway underscore door underscore exit hallway underscore door bedroom. Alright, so this should do. And yeah, then there's the, that's gonna be the one that literally is useless. Door broken. That should be good then. Just put it here. Yeah, it's not exactly useful. Right. Let's go back to textures and actually define it. Hallway.png, I think that's called. Yeah, alright, cool. Texture home, here's our code here. So what I want to do right now is we have our own clicks and stuff, but right now we also want to go and home. What is this? Home door. Yeah. Home underscore sync. Home underscore, is this bed? Yeah. Okay. Case hallway exit. Return click to exit the house. Yeah, basically. Click to enter a bedroom. Basically. This is the most entertaining stream ever. Might even pull up Super servers on the fucking right side because I'm the most entertaining person ever, as we all know. I'm not. Hell no. Home. Wait, what the fuck is home? What? What is home? Oh, bed. Oh, okay. Underscore bed. Home underscore door. I know. So helpful. Asking people that don't read my code what does my code do. Smartest move ever. Just start turning buffer right now. Because right now it's empty, but I'm gonna just return it as empty right now because I'm not gonna be doing the hitbox right now. So yeah. Let's go to types real quick and let's make sure that everything's set up properly. That looks good. Alright. So let me check where input's done. Or where I didn't work on this for a while. So yeah. Also I would like to talk about today about the duper duper thing, right? Because I know a lot of people don't know about it, but I should be having a collab with Duper Trooper, so I'm just informing everyone why I haven't been streaming or uploading. Because a lot of people actually don't know about it, so yeah, that's why I'm just for no reason saying this. I know that a decent amount of people knows it, but you know. So yeah. What I gotta figure out though is if one of the objects gets clicked. Now I know how to figure out if it's hover, right? So I just gotta check if we have a like code to check some if it's clicked. Because yeah, as we know, I didn't work on this for a while, so I kind of forgot about everything. So just kind of gotta read my code real quick. What's this? I guess let's just get buttons. Alright. Render tooltip, sure. Check collision X between what? Position, what is pos? Sure, alright, cool. Now I've got to check, wait, is there no code saying what does happen when it's clicked? I guess not. So let's do that. Let's go and say, let's go to util survivor. It's done. We're gonna utils and say and make a function called extern void object ID clicked, and that should work theoretically, but why I don't know. Oh yeah, because I've deleted this. I'm stupid. Alright, let's just go through this again and define it here. Yeah, so let's just go here. And return here. But first we want to do a switch case. Default returns empty. Or whatever. This is a buffer that doesn't return anything, so it doesn't really matter what we return, so I'm gonna just return nothing, obviously. I mean, it doesn't matter. We can't return anything, that's the thing. Switch is the ID, and then we have to go through all the object IDs. So, to do that we have to go to object IDs. Is there, wait, where is it stored again? Types, okay, cool. There are types. Gotta see types, yeah? So let's put types on here. And let's put utils here so we can see it. Here we go. So, this will tell us, so we can actually see like this. Sync. Return nothing. We have to like execute some code here, obviously saying, you know, just like return text or do something, alright, but mostly nothing important. So here, data vars current location. I don't remember how it was. Yeah, vars current location equals maps. Bruh. I'm pretty sure that this is not how it's named, yeah. Exactly. Let me check where it is. It's map, not maps. And this is uppercase. Alright, so now, theoretically, if we click the door, then it should compile to. First we gotta compile it. If we click the door, then what should happen is never mind, I'm stupid. Alright, yeah, because I didn't implement the actual code here, so I gotta go to main input wherever it was, I think under, yeah, and go here, and also if left button down, then do that. I probably should disable the fucking AI thing, because it's kind of good. Sometimes it actually genuinely hurts a lot. Like it genuinely like can bork the code a lot. But yeah, it works, as you can see, and it's really good. I mean, it's no fancy ass transition, but like, it does the job. So, yeah, that's that. I'm gonna get set up like a render, right? That you can say a message. Let's say something like the global vars and say std string message. Very cool. But since the message is empty, it's like, oh yeah, it's not even defined, so it doesn't really matter. I extern it first, so it's the program even knows that it exists, and then we can actually compile it. But it won't really do anything since we didn't like define it anywhere. So we're gonna have to go here and somewhere, just like on click, we want to get rid of the message, obviously. So I'm gonna just go and write some utils here, just basic stuff. Extern void, and just extern void render message std string. I think this is good. Message and extern void clear message, which will just clear the buffer. So that's pretty simple. So we're gonna grab these and we're gonna just throw them in here. Yeah, and let's start on actually making it work. So have this return, yeah, have this return, and we want to do data parse what is this message, set nothing. That's how you clear it. And then we want to go to render message. I mean, it's more like set message than render message. Render message is something completely. Let me change that. This is just technically like a wrapper around setting a variable. So if that here, that's cool and all. We now have to actually make it to render, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna probably render it on the UI overlay, but yeah. Extern void message. No, render message. Oh, that's not really a requirement since we got a public buffer. But yeah, alright, cool. My back hurts like shit. Alright, whatever. So we have render message, we can take that. Go throw it here and make it, well, kind of, not really though, but it's close enough. So I'm gonna take it and I just modify it. Now we're gonna want to, it's gonna be pretty simple, since all we really want to do is get the center of the screen. So let's just do it very simply. Get window, get screen width. I don't know why it's called like that, but whatever. Divided by 2 minus measure text message. Not divided by 2 this time. And set that to be x. And y can be, I don't know, like 80 or something. So I'm gonna just set it to 80. And what we're gonna render is that. So yeah, okay, it works. Never mind. Cool. It actually works really well. Alright, so yeah, I was thinking that we could maybe like get the number before this, so we won't have to actually calculate this every time. But sadly, we can't do that because the message string can be, the size can differ. It's not a constant. So yeah, let's just compile it and let's see. Oh yeah, I didn't put in any set messages. Right. So my fucking headset is dying. Fucking hell. Hold on. I'm plugging my headset up. That'd be good. So what I need to do is I need to make it so on click it's gonna delete the message or the buffer. So we're gonna do that real quick. Somewhere in input handling, yeah. If mouse button is mouse button pressed 0, then we're gonna just clear the buffer. So we're gonna just go and grab utils included here and utils clear message. Very nice. So that just makes it so it doesn't stay on the screen always. Just like clicking once will just clear it. Alright, so I just want to go to utils and set it here. So yeah, the AI is very creative, I see. And whatever, let's keep it in here or something like that. It's broken. Yeah, it's broken, you can't use it. Broken and leaking. Leaking. Home bed. Yeah, the AI's creativity is kind of interesting. It's just a bed. Damn. Alright. I mean, I don't think this is early. Right now it's just their turn because there's nothing defined here. I will set the type here somewhere. Where's their type so I can see actually what is in the what's defined. I have no clue. Okay, hell. Here, types. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's go to utils. Let's actually work on this now. So case object, we have hallway exit and hallway door bedroom, set home, return. Okay. Yeah, real. It's stuck. Yeah, real. Alright, cool, let's run it actually. Though I don't think any of these will work since the hallway ones are not defined. But I want to see if the main ones actually work. So let's see that. Hold on. Yeah. I don't see it. Oh damn it. I think I know why it doesn't work. Though, yeah, it's a very simple reason why. The reason is because it literally fucking works, but it doesn't get wiped by the thing. So, will be way easier. Oh. Alright, maybe this will actually work. Who knows? I don't even know if it's getting rendered at this point. So I'm gonna check something real quick. It's just a bed. Do we have the rendering actually, or is it just like not here? Render. Yeah, we don't have an instance of this anywhere. So we have to actually like run this here. I forgot about it, but whatever. Bro, don't tell me that this is undefined. Oh yeah, I see. Render UI, and we're gonna go here and we're gonna go here to UI elements, and it should work theoretically. Great. Oh, it's already running this far. Cool. is not working, obviously. Alright, let me just go here. Oh. Great, another fucking edge case. I love edge cases. Alright, let's just run it in the main loop. Like, right here. Let's just throw it here. That seems legit enough. Let's go to main now and let's see if it actually works now. I'm so washed, holy fuck. I'm tired too though. That's irrelevant. It flashes. It just like flashes. Great. I can see it there, but like, you know, it's just great. Alright, so we have to like, this is obviously fucked. I just set to 1. So like, you know. Alright, we'll see if it works. I mean, theoretically it should work. Yeah, 1 works, okay. Alright, I'll just keep it in the config files. Like, I'll put it like an option to change. But right now, maybe I'll put it as an option. But right now, I'm just too tired. Because of how long I've been up just, you know, with the collab. You know, I understand that, you know, it's not a good thing, but yeah. Alright, let's throw in an actual okay inventory system. So, we have to have enums. Now it's gonna be a really basic inventory system. Just set it to none right now, because there's nothing here. And we're gonna throw in a list. We're gonna have to somehow, with JSON or something, store the list, which is gonna be very fun. Like, it's not like I don't want to make this game. I love working on this game. It's not like I love working on the game, but I love the product. That is like, not the product, but like, you know, the output of the work. I'm just tired because of like, you know, how long I've been up and shit. But you know, the game's gonna be out eventually, obviously, because I can't fail anyone, like, you know, from my community. So yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry. I don't want anyone from, you know, I don't want anyone to worry about that. So let me just call this the inventory. It's gonna be simple enough, yeah, but you actually have to define the inventory now, which is easy enough. But now the hard part is gonna be actually making it work with, like, I don't know, tiny XML or something. So I don't have no knowledge of using custom libraries. That's actual pain. Hold on, let me get a new tab here. Okay, it's gonna work. Now throw this here, get a new tab here. We're gonna have to grab a copy of tiny XML or something. And somewhere here, just download it. Great. Where can I download it though? Oh, tinyxml.h. Okay, I see it. Download. Alright, we gotta make it work with tinyxml though, so we're gonna have to kinda log in here, because I don't even have a clue how to do that. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go to source code, throw in tinyxml. I know it's a pretty outdated library, but it's alright. It's alright. It works. It works for our use cases. So we're gonna go and get an example here, and here they got docs. Alright. I really don't care. How do I like set it up? Where's the... I know how XML files work, I just want to figure out how to set it up. I know there's like, I have somewhere like, a save load file. Do I have no clue where the fuck that is right now? Yeah, okay. Okay, we're gonna have to figure out to do the tiny XML. Include tiny XML2. Maybe I was trying to do that's not really relevant right now. So tiny XML2. Sure. What do we call it? Let's call it inventory. I don't care. Now XML element. Sure. Let's see what AI does for us. Nothing, because it's dumb as fucking shit. Yeah, shocking. It's just, yeah, like, this is nothing. It's just useless. That's why I don't like using AI. Like, VS Code has it integrated. I'm not sure how to turn it off, so that's why I have it here. But let's go back to the docs. Let's see if there's like maybe. I think they said something about GitHub pages. Let's look at the GitHub pages. Maybe there's something here. There's GitHub pages. Nah, there's nothing here. I have to figure out how to. Oh, there are the docs. Stupid. Let's look at it. Wait, if I have the dogs, then why am I? Oh yeah, I'm just stupid as fuck. Explain everything. Yeah. Let's just check these. Here we go. Alright, that's very helpful. But how do we actually like fucking like let's look at these. So we have XML doc. Yeah, but I want to go and do a vector list to tiny XML, which is great, but pretty useless. So I need to just vector to tiny XML. Is there anyone pretty useless? Yeah, no one, literally no one did this. So this is like, probably someone did it, but this is such a very non-specific edge case that great. Wait, someone actually talked about it on the old one. Maybe that's gonna be actually helpful. Great, and no answer. Alright, cool. Alright, let's just go here and just start to figure it out now on our own, so like what we're supposed to do. So we have like a list of values, doesn't matter, so we have to for each through it. Alright, so let's go and do that. Let's check if let's go inventory. It's like in different. Oh yeah, it is. Oh damn. Inventory dot empty. Empty. If inventory isn't empty, then we want to actually like, bruh. And here I was thinking that I was actually about to learn something, but here we go. AI just fucks it up, bro. Like, how do I turn it off? Actually, I actually want to like do stuff. How do I turn off fucking? How do I turn off Copilot, Visual Studio, fucking Studio Code? There is nothing about fucking disabling Copilot. Bruh, what's this? Wait, is Copilot actually genuinely like uninstall? Boom. Cool. It's gone. So if I open it, it's still fucking here. Now, if someone knows how to uninstall Copilot or like this AI bullshit, then please tell me. I actually want to like learn. I don't just want the AI to fucking hand it to me, bro. Oh wait, actually. Wait, let me test it. Let me just test it. Okay, yeah, cool. It didn't autofill it. So yeah, it looks quite good. It looks pretty good, so yeah. So let's see what you can do. We have to add value. What can we do? Insert after, insert and child. So what do we have here? First child element. New declaration, new element, new text, new unknown. Alright, what about and? Link and child. Insert and child. Child. Insert child. Insert. Oh, come on, I just want to insert some. Insert. Now I'm fucking confused with beans, bro. So I have. Hold on, let's go to the main page. Great. Bro, why is it sorted by fucking... God damn it. Can I maybe... Element. New element. Alright, cool. We're getting somewhere. Let's call it... I don't know, fucking... Let's go inventory and... Oh yeah, we have to forage through, so that's actually kind of useless. Great. I think inventory is a item. Yeah, item. Items. A. In inventory. Vars. Inventory. So that should work. But we have to actually get the name, so we have... My dumbass just realized that C++ has no enum get name, like in C#. So that's fucking, like, I don't know what the fuck am I doing then. So we have to actually do something like... I mean, you can just do int a and just do std to string. I mean it works barely, but it works. But this is the ugliest piece of code I ever wrote. I mean, I guess. But element. So like we do new element. Is there like some end element function, or how does this work? So like new value. Okay, new declaration. New element, new text, new on. Okay, great. What about define? Is there like define? What about value? Alright, set value. Cool. Set value. Oh, I'm stupid. XML. What is a node? And there are some examples, but I need to actually, see them. Parsing some from a hardware to get information, like some of the words and text information. Great. So, doc first child display. Yeah, that's simple, but title get text. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. but that's fucking useless for me because I actually am not trying to do anything like this. I'm just trying to fucking XML text, XML equals percent text, title equals volume for have. Yeah, just does that, but title element. Title element. So yeah, that I guess makes kind of sense, but I just don't want to use INEI files. I know the parser is very simple and it would work, but holy shit, that would be like that'll be awful. Like, that'd be dog shit, like horrible. It'd just be like compared to this, like that'd be awful. Like, you know, so I actually want to make it semi-decent, but like, you know, but this is actually kind of hard. So because the documentation is not great. It's pretty bad. Now let's see what we even have here. XML element. I mean, I guess that's fair enough. Alright, cool. Just like interesting. lm dot Yeah, dude, I'm the best programmer in the world that's ever lived. Terry David's quote, but I'm not that. I am the worst one. Like, what the fuck? Dude, how are 5 people watching me right now? Dude, I am literally just reading documentation trying to figure out how to actually do this. Like, there is no reason for someone to watch me except to laugh at me, for real. I look like the biggest dumbass right now. Like, for real. Like, this is the... Like, this is just sad. Like, obviously, I don't study XML for a living, but, like, what the fuck is this? Like, I understand it, but, like, dude, that's fucking retarded. Holy fuck. I understand. Hold on, insert new text. Yeah, okay, so actually, I might be able to do it. Insert first child. Nah, bro, I'm just gonna be a complete retard. I'm just yeah, don't look, guys. This is very classified. What I'm gonna do, it's very bad. The documentation is so bad. I think it's alright. It's genuinely just so bad. Like, I'm not even kidding. Fucking ass, like. Fucking hell. You guys are gonna be actually surprised by how good of a programmer I am. Wow, I'm such a great programmer. I totally did not steal this. Oh my god, no way. Damn, bro, I'm like Terry Davis, except I actually can't code. Yeah, with a T, so I can't. Exactly. It's like real as shit. Look at that. I'm like, oh, don't look at that. That's no. Bad. That's bad. Yeah, but as you can see, I totally didn't steal this from anywhere. It's totally not plagiarized. It's like totally legit. Dust. But yeah, this is fucking dog shit. Holy fuck! Please fix the documentation. What the fuck is this? Fuck. Great. I fucking love it. Map, but not none, yeah. But then what's the issue then? Wait, this is the H file? No. Should be fine. No, fucking just delete it. Great. What a great piece of code. I fucking hate it. Oh my god. Dude, I need to fucking actually do stuff with this. Oh yeah, I remember. Gesticulation, items none. Hold on. Items none. Well, if what's the issue here then? Oh, I see it. Right. Alright, yeah, okay, that's fair enough, yeah. So you have to define this also right here. And also somewhere else, I think. No, I think it's good. Okay, cool. Never working in it with XML again though. Parameterizing experience, to be honest. Great. Traumatizing experience, to be honest. Yeah. Fucking hell. Now where the fuck is this? Great. Now where is the other one? Because I'm pretty sure there is 2 errors here. I guess not. I guess I'm just blind. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it's not working right now. Yeah, I guess it just doesn't want to, or I don't know. Like, it's genuinely fucking no one will or no one, I guess. Very great. Thoroughly. Alright, so now we have an inventory, even though now it's empty, I'm pretty sure. So now, if we save it, which now it should be saved, we should have an XML file somewhere here. Yeah, XML. It's just empty. Great. Though I am pretty sure it's not supposed to happen like that, because it should. Oh yeah. Okay. Never mind. It's good. Bro, what the fuck is this? Now, who the fuck designed XML? This is actually horrible. Why does an XML file look like this, bro? I'm pretty sure like it should have like an opening bracket too, not just a closing one. Nah, bro. What is this? Dude. Alright, let's just run debug and let's see stuff. Alright, so we have at least the centering is kinda working. Keyword kinda. Yeah, maybe yeah, maybe that's supposed to be this is the issue. God damn. Damn, that's yeah, that's crazy. Damn. Alright, now it should be fixed, I guess. Let's see. Let me just see if the audio is even working. Yeah, the audio should be working. Pretty fine, yeah. Yeah, it's centered. It's whatever. It's not great. It's not great, but it's centered, I would say. Right, so yeah, let's just try it again because I'm pretty sure now I fixed it. Yeah, no, it's kind of centered. I don't know, I can see it. Yeah. So, alright, let's just keep it like this and let's actually go do the important stuff, which that is actually adding collision to the doors. So let's actually do that. So we need to go and start the game. But we are not in the debug. Here now we're in debug. Cool. So now we have you can see the chords here. So we have to go. This is the bedroom. As you can see, this is the bedroom door. Right here on the right, this is the bedroom door. Yeah. And here's the exit door. And here's the broken door. Those are the ideas. So this is what is this, 0 and Y size, yeah. So you just gotta go and grab the difference there and just, but it should be fine mostly. So the initial position is this and the size. Alright, cool. So we're gonna do notes again because that's how I do it, because I'm stupid. Yeah, I should probably write a debug tool that actually does everything for me, but I'm too stupid to do that, so we're not gonna be doing that. Right, so position set 0 720y. A size set, what is this? 49 what's x 192y. Yeah, so that should work. Just yeah, okay, so let's just continue. Not sure how we're gonna do that, but I'll figure it out. So this is the position right here. 5520. Set to x 181y based on 181. Damn. Okay, and we're gonna go here then. 734x 575y. Yeah, okay. And then we're gonna do the broken door, which is 1231x 130y, and size is what is this? Yeah, it's just the 12080 by 720 full screen. So basically the whole size of the window is the size, yeah. So right, let's do that. So actually I'm really interested in one thing. Let's go back. Let's run it again. I'm interested in full screen works properly with hitbox scaling. It doesn't. Okay, cool. It seems to though. It seems to work. So it's a rendering issue. Alright, so that's also a thing I will have to look at. The rendering issue here is very interesting though. I've never seen anything like this. So if you full screen it just fucks up completely. Great. Just get rid of it for now then. Let's actually add here the positions and throw it into the get buttons, right? And just go to this and say buffer. I want to just copy all of these and then to buffer. Now what we gotta do is figure out actually do the 7th one in. Let's put in the positions. Yeah, that's the easy part, yeah. Then we just gotta get the, you know, get the distance, which is easy also because it's just, you know, but yeah, I just don't like it. It's annoying. I just probably just use like a distance calculator on a 2D. Yeah, that's stupid. I mean, I can just do it myself, but whatever. I mean, just, you know, to be accurate, I might just probably do that though. 213, yeah. Alright. Vector, to distance calculator. Alright, I gotta do vector too. What a great formula. I know this is just Pythagoras, but dude, come on. Like, alright, I'll just throw in the x and y then. 0, 720. I'm probably gonna fuck it up though. 192. Right. Okay. But that's like the distance. I don't want distance. I want to get the decimal. Oh, that's fucked. I figured out. Yeah, that's alright. Then we need vector 1. That's yeah. I won't do this, but alright. So let's just do this like this. So it's the x position right here, right? So we can keep that b. But what's the difference here? That's a great question. So I might just probably get a calculator because I'm fucking retarded and I can't do shit. Yeah, I'm a useless piece of fucking human flesh type shit. Alright, and we should be good to go then. No, that's home. That's wrong. Let me grab the other size. Oh, I see. I'm doing this wrong again. Nice. I love it. I love doing things wrong. They're like, that's like so fun. 192 by 720. 720 minus 192. Yeah. Okay. That's better. Windows is not too big to like realize it though. What is it? I don't even know. It's the 0 one, so it's the whole. So it's the hallway, door, bedroom. Now we have it's the hallway, door broken, I think, and hallway, door what's this? Hallway exit, yeah. So now these are, I'm not sure about that, so we're gonna have to probably, yeah, 527 minus, what is this, 159? Yeah, 159. Here's our epic answer here. 347 minus 181. Fuck. Okay, here we go. 347. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Now we gotta go 1 to this minus this. 213 minus this. That's 6. Now let's see if it actually worked, because I really doubt it, but we're gonna see. Because this, I genuinely gotta make like a tool that actually calculates the positions for me. Like it's horrible, like this. So I really gotta do that. Because that will like speed up development so much. Like really a crazy amount. Because it's crazy, it's not even working here. I mean, maybe it is. Maybe I just didn't define the things. I'm not sure. Yeah, I that's interesting. What is this? It's stuck. Broken door. Interesting. Yeah, I genuinely need to make a tool. Is there a way to insert that garbage into clipboard? How to insert tool into clipboard? Let's see this. I genuinely want to make a tool right now because that would be like way more helpful because I don't have to no longer clone the clipboard thing. Okay, I guess we'll use this, but we'll see. Well, git clone this and explorer cd. Now let's grab the clipboard thing, which is right here. Holy shit, this is huge. Damn, I thought like it would be like some small ass one header, but no. Okay, that's great. So how do you actually use this? Is there maybe like a smaller version of this? Maybe like a more compact version? I guess not. What is this? Image. It's like just... yeah, I think it's for images, dead ass. Okay, great. Nice. So we're gonna just probably grab this and have to insert this into our build folder. By the way, for anyone wondering why don't I have separate folders, subfolders, you know, that's because the fucking compiler doesn't like it. Like, I genuinely tried. I hate it, but I have to. So yeah, let's do that. So let's actually write a tool. .mn. Oh, that's Objective-C. Ah, I see. Right. Let's build this then. Let's make this then. So we're gonna actually write the tool, right? So what we gotta do is we will just make a buffer. Alright, we're just... okay, hold on, wait, what do we even want? So we have two positions, right? We click twice, have two buffers, and then we have to make a square out of them, or just like an overall rectangle. So that's the whole idea. Alright, so let's go and write that. I think that's probably for the best. So I'm gonna insert clip here. Yeah, and we're gonna also extern do debug tools. Alright, whatever, that's a horrible name, but we're gonna just go with it. We're gonna go and call this here somewhere, so you don't have to actually worry about it. Now if data vars debug, then we want to return, because we don't want to debug, obviously. So what we want to do though is we also want to have look at the buffers, right? So we're gonna have global vars here. Where's global vars? I've completely lost. Okay, we're global extern vector to I to place cement buffer. Cool, nice. I forgot I have to place it here, but whatever. Get it. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna throw it here. Placement buffer, yeah. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just go and, you know, define the stuff there. Though I think std vector will work way better for this, but whatever. Right, we're gonna do it with std vector. detector to I, placement buffer. Right. Alright, cool. Now, what you'll want to do is actually, you know, store the positions on click. So we're gonna have to go to input and check if we're debugging, and if so, we're gonna check that. Debug is if mouse button down. It's more like pressed, yeah, more like pressed. 0, then to get mouse position. Wait, we don't have the utils imported, or where is the? I'm pretty sure position where is the utils. Yeah, it is. Well, then I'm stupid. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let's go back then. There is. Input. Yeah. Okay. Alright, utils. Get mouse position pro. Alright, and we want to actually throw it into a buffer. So what we're gonna do is global vars. And have global vars imported? Yeah, we do. Global. Oh, data. Yeah. Vars. And we're gonna find the buffer, which here it is, and we're gonna push back this. But first we have to check one thing, and that is if the buffer is even. Hold on. If data. Okay, hold on. Let me just make it way easier. Using data vars. Can I do that? No. Alright, it will be way easier though. Oh yeah, it's namespace. Oh, then what's up? How to using in C++. Hi. What is the? Okay, so I have to do this instead. That doesn't work. Yeah, I just know to namespace. So I'm gonna just skip it and I might just go with the long way. So we have to check the buffer size. Yeah, if data vars placement buffer. Size is more than 1, then you want to clear it. Clear. Right, that should check the. I just check to be sure how many. Sure. I'll reserve space, yeah, but I want to actually check how many. You just check like. Yeah, okay, so it's just size. Okay, cool. So actually fine. Yeah. So we just gotta push in the position, and if it's more, then we're gonna. We want to render it overall, but yeah, now it's time for the actual rendering. So now we have actually the input, and now we want to render it. So actually I should probably do the log. I should probably log it. Let me just do that real quick. Render no input. Yeah, okay. Right. Debug. Do we have debug? I'll import. Right, include logger. Log added post to buffer yar, and then you have to also logger log clear the buffer. So yeah, it shouldn't run though when the bug is on, so it doesn't really matter. Like the log too also, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so now we actually want to go to the rendering though, so let's do that. And utils, and we're gonna do this, do the buckets, yeah. Now this one's, we're gonna do the simpler one, which is the one that when we click two spaces, then it's gonna actually do the thing. Yeah, 6-1, yeah, that's pretty simple. And yeah, okay, cool. I'll do data bars. There's placement buffer, size, one placement buffer size more than one. Then do that, yeah. And actually execute the code, else then we are, I mean debug tools, that's the rendering one, yeah. Yeah, okay, so hold on. Now the question here is, do you actually want to render it? Because I mean, rendering it is cool and all, but it's not really important, is it? So let's just kind of like run this every frame, like right here. Oh yeah, that's, well, we don't even need this function, do we? Yeah, okay, so utils HPP also, get rid of that. Logger input input right here, cool. And check also, and then if this, then check if you want to actually, you can just do this, is key down some key underscore c, right? Then it should, then we just want to do include clip and clip set text, and we just want to do simple one like this. We're gonna just make this here set to string. Why isn't it working? Oh yeah, alright, gotcha. Reasonable enough. Now we actually have to input the value, which is simple enough. So we have a placement buffer. So we're gonna do, where is it? Yeah, data vars placement buffer at 0 x at y. Oh, I'm stupid. Oh my god, this is gonna be so long though. God damn it. Why does code have to be so fucking ugly? To string that plus, why doesn't work? So we have std set text blah 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 to string, yeah, and then we are, yeah, what's the issue here though? Cn. Oh yeah, I see the issue now. Simple issue though, can fix it. Alright, fixed. Cool. Plus this. I'll just do that. Boom. Now change it to 1 and 1. And that should do the trick, but yeah. Very annoying. I mean, way better than nothing, but we're gonna have to actually do the algorithm that actually like turns into a cube. So let's say we have a cube, right? Let's say we have a position 100, 100, x 100, yeah, x, y, whatever, and then we have a 100x, 100y, 200x, 200y. Right, those are two positions right here, let's say, and one right here. Now, first you have to get the difference on y positions, so this is gonna go that, oh my god, difference is plus 100, so it's gonna go and fill that out. And it's gonna be like, okay, so we need to go plus 100, and it's gonna be, oh, we need to go plus 200. Okay, cool. So it's just gonna go and check the x position and y position, kind of interpolate the whole thing. It's not a huge deal, but yeah. So we're gonna have to write a utility for that, obviously. Extern void get size from positions std vector whatever vector 2 kind of thing. Like, yeah, okay, cool, works. Now we're gonna actually get the vector 2 here, 2i, whatever, doesn't really matter, and we're gonna throw it here, right, and we're gonna take the vectors for I less than 0, 1, 2, yeah, then we want to vec at I and we want to minus vec dot, actually we can probably do this like way better, so we have 1, we have 0, which is 1, plus minus add 1, right? So that goes, let's say, this x100, x200 is minus 200, minus 100, so it goes right here, right? So we must set 1, meaning that if you have 100, then it goes 100 plus that's 300. So we have to go and change that, and math. Do we have OC math? I think we do, yeah. Just gotta make the absolute that include C math. It's gonna work, but it's annoying. C math, yeah. C absolute. I mean, we don't have to like absolute it. We can just do it way simpler. We can just do this. Watch this. Divide by minus 1, easy. But yeah, why does this work? Oh yeah, shit. We're gonna have to actually cause x, right? This works, and then we have to do the same thing for y, and then we return the buffers. Isn't that great? Anyways. Though, I mean, the minus 1 thing works, but we have to, that's more of a switch, so how to math absolute in C. That's cool, but I want to C++. Is that an actual, like, function here? ABS? Oh, it is, okay, cool. I mean, it works. It just works. Parentheses pointer. I do not care. So we have to actually grab that and ABS full number. Right. ABS this, and we have to return ABS and this. So that, I mean, it works barely, but it actually works. So I mean it could be used. So now let's actually use it. So yeah, that's it's a horrible algorithm. Yeah, let's go and use it though. Alright, so we gotta get the size, right? So let's go and do that. So we have position 0 plus what is this? Get the fuck out of here. Get from positions, data, vars, placement buffer, dot, I mean it doesn't matter. Get, oh yeah, we have to actually define the namespace here, so it should work. Get size and position. Okay, that should work. Utils asking one for get size and position. Oh, am I stupid? Well, yeah. It's right here. What's going on? Like, what's wrong? What's wrong right here? Because I can see it right there. It's not like I'm blind, I think. Details, get size for position. Details right here. Yeah, that defines it, but yeah, alright. Wait, maybe I misspelled it somehow. Yeah, I did. Great. So we gotta go to X and we gotta go to Y, I think. It should be basically done now, so. Right, let's see if it actually works though, this shitty algorithm that I wrote to actually automate the process of making hitboxes. It doesn't work because nah, it works maybe, but what doesn't work is the library I'm using. It's just fucked. I might just delete what I don't need. Bro, why are you telling me that, bro? Get the fuck out of here with this shit. Remove. I really don't need to know that, bro. I really don't need to know that, bro. I really didn't. It's mostly the I really didn't need to know that. But it should work, even though I deleted the majority of the scripts, which is stupid. I just want to be able to fucking set what is this? I delete one of the actual needed libraries. Barely. No, let's see it. No, I didn't. If enable image. I did not do that. I didn't enable image. Oh yeah, I gotta actually define it, my bad. Right, that's stupid, but I might just do that then. Let's do that right here. So let's do that now. There was like an error at the top. I didn't see it. Can I like wipe the terminal? Maybe that'd be like really nice. I have like 5 terminals. That's crazy. I'm like a ultimate hacker man kind of person. Yeah. Look at me, guys. I'm such a cool person. Clip image is defined. Can include only when clip image is defined. Right, clip in BMP. Well then, delete it. Delete this too, I guess. I don't know. Great. So obviously we don't need this one, so I might just get rid of that. Let's get rid of everything that's just fucking shit up. And let the image one. Now I'm really confused by this one, but I'm pretty sure that's because that's for Linux and I'm not on Linux, so that's kind of the whole thing. Nice, great. Let's go back to the tutorial I saw online that we are making this based off. Because I'm such a smart person, I know. Delete types or something? Nah. I don't know what's up then. No type is not. There are no types at CPP, or I don't know what's up. Clip note. Yeah, there is no clip, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Just do the quick thing. Right, so let's go here. How to throw garbage. How to clipboard. Insert the C++. Now this is very fucked because raylib clipboard. I think maybe there is some. Maybe? Clipboard. Set clipboard text. No way. It actually is here. W raylib. Abort. Alright, cool. So this might as well set clipboard text. Doesn't matter really. What's up? I don't know why I was looking for clip then, if you can just do that. Oh yeah, it's simple. But where is utils and why am I importing clip here if okay, whatever. Right. Input. That's simple enough. At least I can just do this to fix it. Because that's simple. The holy shit, this is unreadable. Gotta fix that. Gotta fix that or make it just like a bit more readable. Const char plus const char. Great. It's crazy. But that's like, I don't know what to choose. Wow, this is the laziest fix ever, but I guess it's better than nothing. Anyways. Totally didn't steal this, totally, yeah, believe, real. Jesus just appeared in my head and gave me this piece of code, guys, trust me. I was blessed by Jesus, trust me. Real, very real. Too real. Where the fuck is main? Because I fucking lost it again. There it is. Oh, I got an ad. No fucking way. Okay, let's see. Does it actually work now? Yeah, we have to run it as debug. My bad. So now we go notepad. That's that's useless. I don't know like what the that's just I mean it's yeah I wrote it horribly, that's the reason why it happened, but yeah this I mean it works. That's not how it's supposed to work. Great. New line. Bruh, am I stupid? Hell yeah, I am. Great. I might just take this, I might just throw it in here, because, yes. Oh yeah, that's good, that's it? Okay. So I might just throw this here, x, y, x, plus y. Alright, cool. So now it should compile. Obviously it's not gonna run, but it's gonna compile because I fucked up the fucking main list so much. But we have an actual working. Right, so you want to do this, this, this. Alright, cool. Now you want to copy it. Copy it, yeah. Bruh. That's not what I was expecting, dude. Placement size is more than 1 and C key is down. Doesn't work. Yeah. Why? Like, oh. Yeah, my bad. But like, why does it not work? So I'm pressing fucking C, like a retard. Right, and well, let's run it again. Maybe it's gonna work now. This somehow magically we've somehow got the wrong buffer. That's stupid. Clear the buffer. Alright. I should probably log that. Logger log clipboard set. Yeah, okay, cool. Nice, so now we have that, yeah, but we actually want to kill this, so let's do that. Right, cool. This is great. So let's do that. Debug. Clipboard set. I mean, it was alright. Whatever. We got the clipboard. Is key pressed? Alright. I mean, it's better than having. Okay, whatever. We fixed it. That's whatever. Let's go through this. So, yeah, here our beautiful console. And yeah, can you click? I don't know if it's working. Okay, now it is. It just worked. So these are our beautiful positions, I think. But hold on, let me just reset the thing and compile it again, because I'm pretty sure it doesn't work. Because well, that might tell us, let me just check this too, because this is very interesting. Alright, whatever, I want to just steal this from here. Yeah, I know, at this point I'm just really tired, so I'm just speedrunning shit. I know what a great developer I am. Yanderdev could never. Yeah, I'm just Yanderdev's fucking uncle from fucking Morava. Yeah, they could never. Where is yeah, streams over here. Can't even fucking find it. Beautiful. Let's check my 2B2TQ. Damn, guys, I'm in 428 place. Damn, bro. Flex that, flex that. Alright, where's the fuck's my fucking... Alright, run the bug. What's up? Oh, okay. How the fuck do I have an undefined reference? Like, how does it work? Wait, how does an undefined reference work in this case? Because, like... Fucking hell. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, as you can see that, no, you didn't see that, guys. Yeah, yeah, I'm the best programmer that's ever lived. Followed by Terry Davis, except I'm not that. Okay, let's try it again. Right, whatever. That works. That X. What the fuck? Nah, bro, what is this goofy shit? Okay, that's more like it. So, alright, cool. Let's just go and try to set it up. So, we have, alright, tools. Here it is. Very cool. So, what's this? Hallway. That's X. X0 is basically 0. But yeah, so basically 0. 190. Sure. I'll go with that. 51. 518. And 18. Sick. Alright, cool. So now we just want to run this and see how much nothing changed, because I'm such a dumbass that needs to see that. Hallway door, bedroom. Alright, cool, let's see. Get buttons. I think that's it, yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm so tired, holy fuck. Yeah, it works. It just works. The PER tool works. Click to exit the house. Alright, whatever. And with this bombshell, I'm gonna end the stream because I'm fucking dying, dude. I'm so tired, bro. Alright, guys. I'm a CL. Like, I'm gonna see you tomorrow because. Nah, I'll see y'all on Saturday, because Saturday I'm gonna be streaming TF2, and that's gonna be way more interesting than this. But yeah, it's just me, I guess. Either way, yeah, I'll see y'all.